Today I'm going to harvest the last of my sweet potatoes. I'm hoping that by doing it today, it will give it enough time to cure, and then I'll have some more for my Thanksgiving dinner. Okay, from what I'm seeing now, it looks like this could be the Japanese sweet potato. I don't know about making pies with that one. I'll probably just bake those, but if I've mixed them, then I'll probably have those orange ones in here also. Yeah, that's the Japanese. Look how pretty those roots are. Look how white the flesh. Those are beautiful. Okay, let's see what we have in here. There's one right there. I've learned so much this year about growing sweet potatoes, and I'm gonna work on my next year's batch. Isn't that beautiful? The actual piece that I got from the grocery store wasn't this big, so already this is a plus. Let's see. I feel something else down in here. I think I'm gonna just try to dump this out. See if that'll make life a little bit easier. There's lots of roots coming out of this grow bag. Oh gosh, this is hard. And the thing is, it's been raining here pretty hard for the last few days. I'm surprised that this is still so hard. I double bagged this one. That's what happens when you have a hole and you refuse to get rid of your bags. Okay, here's a little one. Wow, look at that. They were right in between bags. Look at that. Okay, let's see. Hopefully I'll get some larger ones. Okay. The little ones I'll make sweet potato candy out of. That was really yummy. Okay, looks like they're all kind of small. That's okay. It's okay. They're so pretty. These are one of my daughter's favorite sweet potatoes. Visit her if you'd like to find out more on style and stewardship. She's a lovely young woman who loves to cook and loves to grow things organically and cooks gluten and sugar-free items. So go visit her. Let's see. Okay, some more. Wow, these roots are amazing. Okay, let's see. A little bit more to go through. My grandson's gonna love the candy, that's for sure. Trying to go through every little bit. Okay. Looks like all of these are going to be pretty small. Let's see. Yeah, they're all small, but they will taste delicious. Run away from me here. A little bit more. Okay, that looks to be it. What I'm noticing about this soil, help me out someone, it's full of roots. I mean, there are so many roots. Not as much sweet potato, but a whole lot of roots. So, did I go wrong with my soil? Like I said, I'm learning quite a bit, and I hope that my next year's harvest will be way more fruit than roots. Okay, that's it. Okay, so here's what we have. There are a few here that we can just eat whole, but for the most part, I'm gonna make the sweet potato candy out of these. And all I do, I soak them and some Arm & Hammer baking soda. I scrub them, I soak them again, and then I wash them, and then I boil them with a solution of sugar water with just a little cinnamon and a little vanilla, and they taste great. So it looks like that was my biggest one. But look at this. This is free food. All I had was one sweet potato that made a lot of roots, and I decided to plant it. And here's my harvest. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.